Hi folks, I'm here to introduce you to the NVT Phybridge CHARIoT series of managed switches. We'll start with the top. In our rack we have the Flex 24-port long reach PoE switch. The Flex switch is a very unique product in the market. It provides 100 megs of Ethernet on all ports, as well as up to 50 watts of power on all ports simultaneously. A lot of other switches in the market will only have a handful of ports that are full power. The Flex has all ports available full power. What's interesting with the Flex is if you have a device that you need to connect that's within 300 feet, you just connect it like you normally would with any other PoE switch. But here's the Flex's real strength. Introduce the FlexLink adapter and you can deliver Ethernet and PoE up to 2,000 feet. So 2,000 feet from the Flex switch to the FlexLink adapter, and then after that you've got standard Ethernet for your devices. The Flex Link also comes in a 4-port version. So imagine you've got a single Cat5 or 6 cable that's run out 2,000 feet. You can enable 4 devices with PoE and Ethernet up to 2,000 feet away. Some really exciting and compelling applications that are available now with the Flex. It really opens up the market to a lot of different types of thinking. Next in the line is our Clear 24-port managed switch as well. The Clear has 24 coax cables. You can connect a coax up to 2,000 feet in distance, just like the Flex. The EC Link is introduced, so from the Clear to the Flex Link, the EC Link is 2,000 feet, and then from there you have standard Ethernet as well. You deliver up to 30 watts of power with the Clear switch, and it also comes in a 4-port version of the EC Link adapter as well. Same thing, imagine a single coax cable can now enable 4 IP devices with power on the coax. No external power required on any of these switches. Third in the line is our Polar. The Polar runs on a single pair of 26 gauge or better wire and delivers up to 10 megs of Ethernet and up to 20 watts of power. Use it for things like enabling IP phones. We have a Cisco IP phone here, as we're showing, running on a single pair of wire. The Polar comes in a 48 and a 24-port version of our managed switch. Now, here's something that you're not going to see anywhere else in the market. The switches actually have what we call a PowerWise technology, whereby there's AC and DC in each of the switches. On the back, you can connect up to 4 switches in the DC in and out to create a power-sharing, load-balancing ring. So imagine if you've lost your power supply, your cameras, your phones, your other devices continue to run even with no power. And then once you correct the problem, you just pop in the hot swap of a power supply and you're done. You'll not see anything like this in the market, I can tell you that.